Did we do everything we done the prossimo? Judges. Well, look, man, really enjoyed that. You're out there putting a spanner in the works anyway, for sure. And it was definitely different. The different is very good. And I really enjoyed it myself. Lovely melody through it the whole way through. And yeah, no, it was very enjoyable. Fair play to you, man. Thank you.
The second song, I found myself kind of in trance, in a little bit nice little trance. It was really nice melodic, but I'm a little bit biased, and as a vocal, I can't wait for vocals. So the next bit coming, but beautiful playing, nice relaxing. I found myself kind of, as I say, almost getting into a nice little trance in the second song.
I really enjoyed that, and actually, particularly the second one, the fact that you said that it was called 17, when you were 17, you sort of set the scene with that, and as you were playing, and I sort of had a vision in my head, or a picture of a 17-year-old sort of walking around doing his daily business. So it was really nice. Takes good quality to go in a singing contest and not actually sing and just play an instrument, which is fair play for that, but actually, so either way, fair play to you. I think though, really you kept melody, strong melody within the song, you know, so it wasn't boring, it was really nice. I really enjoyed it, the second particularly good.
Ladies and gentlemen, time listen for beautiful please. Thank you. Ladies